Well, tonight Rob is going to run the eastbound unit coal train from Wyoming to Iowa. So that's the first 5 laps will be right-hand run. And then the next 5 laps will be Iowa to Melrose Park Power Plant, which will be the left-hand run once he gets into the Geneva subdivision. He's got the end of train device working. So we'll see that, and then we'll pick it up at another time. Maybe get us some trackside videos. Time. Well, we've arrived at the Melrose Park Power Plant. So Rob is going to bring the end of the train up to kind of where he's standing. And that will be the end of the line, and I'll put down the final time, how long it took to get from Powder River Basin to Melrose Park Power Plant, which was about a full hour, just over an hour, model railroad time.
Are you letting just the green cars off?
This motive power came all the way from Powder River Basin, and now it's going to take a rest, a long deserved rest at the engine facility. I'll do a maintenance and overhaul everything for the next run. Nice work, Rob. Hope you're not too tired.
Oh no, I'm going in for a little rest, maybe a cup of coffee beforehand.
Okay. Now Rob's going to bring those out to the transfer track, so the next eastbound freight train will pick those string of cars up and bring them to the yard. He's going to attach them to those 4 coal cars over there. And that'll do for the night. Great work, Rob.
Okay, we done.
Well, tonight is Wednesday, and I'm taking the cars from the transfer track to the West Chicago yard. And then I'll use that as my distribution center to get them into from West Chicago to Proviso. So that's what I'm going to do tonight. Light power back to Melrose Park Power Plant after dropping off the cars from the transfer track. He's almost back home. That'll do. Well, the next order of business is to use this GP 15-1 switcher to switch out those transfer track freight cars. So these go to the westbound Proviso yard, and then these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm putting them in order to go in the Chicago Northwestern eastbound Proviso yard. I was going to send the switchers from Proviso out, but I think I'll send these to using GP 15-1 1612 I'll use him to bring him to Proviso, and then the yard master can take it from there. But I put them in their train order here, and they'll be all set to go, and put them with the train at Proviso. So here's the transfer train that is coming from West Chicago, where I switched it out and put it in train order. It's going to come into the eastbound Chicago Northwestern yard, Proviso yard. I'm going to put them on track 3, this track right here. And they'll be switched into the train there. I think it's train 5A.